looking for new career opportunities abroad, Slovenia might be the destination for you. With a growing economy, affordable lifestyle, and a high quality of life, Slovenia is opening its door to international talent. So, whether you are seeking a fresh start, a stable career, or a chance to experience life in one of Europe's hidden gems, Slovenia could be your next big move. The link to the website is in the description box. And if you find value in this video, make sure to hit the like button, share to your friends, and subscribe to the channel.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services. This is a wonderful community platform that you'll be able to know a lot of things in terms of traveling abroad.
So once you click on the link, it will take you to this page you are seeing on the screen here. So here we have the keyword, area of work, and the region. To make things easier for you, instead of going through all the vacancies, because we have 3,200, what you have to do is to come back to this keyword part, enter a particular job you're searching for, and the area of work. So if it's in the administration, IT, pharmacy, finance, or something, just choose, click on it, select region also, and to make things faster and easier, you can just select all regions. So if there's any vacancy available in that region, it's going to bring it for you. So once you are done putting all of those, then you search button, and it's definitely going to bring all the available vacancies for you in that region and in that area of work. So, and you can also upload your CV here. You can upload your CV, your cover letter, and you can include your contact information. So whenever employees, because um we have 680 companies on this website. So whenever the employers come to this website and your CV, your cover letter pops up, and they go through it and they are okay with it, they can pick up your contact from there and reach out to you themselves instead of you reaching out to them. They will reach out to you if they are okay with what they see, like your CV and your cover letter. That's one step. And if you just want to explore all the vacancies here, all you have to do is to scroll down. We have senior system engineer, technology, process operator, electrical maintenance. We also have the sales people. We have customer support specialists. We have professional associates, customer administrator, accounting, assistants. We have lots of vacancies on this website. So you can see this is the last part. This is another one. So we have to check out one of these together. You click on this sales people. Like I'm using that as an example. Once you click on it, then it will bring everything you need to know about the particular job. So this is it. It's everything you need to know. Like yeah, what your work will include, like sales of goods and customer advice, performing cash transaction and maintaining prescribed records, preparing, stacking, labeling and sorting of goods, monitoring inventory and performing good receipts. So this is it, and this is what you will this is what you see. We are accepting application for the vacant position with a CV and a proof of meeting the requirements via the form below. Application are expected by August 20, 2025 and will be treated with the highest degree of discretion. So you join us and become a part of the team where every individual counts. So this is what they need. This is what they need from you. Once you are done reading all of that, you have 4 days left. This particular vacancy, you have just 4 days left. So once you are done reading all of that and you would like to move to the next step, all you have to do is to sign up. Once you sign up, then you can now log in after. Then you submit your application, write on your application letter, your cover letter, and your CV. You submit everything, wait for the employer to get back to you. Make sure you are dropping a correct contact information, that information, make sure it's correct. So when they want to reach out to you, it will be very, very easy for them. Once you submit, you are going to receive an email that your that your application has been received by the company. So all you have to do is to wait for them to get back to you. While waiting for them, check out other vacancies, send your application.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.